They say if you give a man the fish, he'll eat for a day. But if you teach a man how to fish, he'll eat for a lifetime. I say, that's bullshit. What it ought to say is, if you teach a man how to fish, he'll spend the rest of his lifetime just trying to catch enough fish for a meal. Ask any woman who has a man that some fool taught how to fish. She'll tell you, that's the worst thing you can do. Once you teach a man how to fish, the first thing he do is go out and buy a bunch of fancy fishing tackle that he don't need. Then he gotta go buy a fancy boat to haul that fancy fishing tackle that he don't need. Then he gotta go buy a fancy gas guzzling vehicle to pull that fancy boat full of fishing tackle that he don't need. That's bullshit. If you want to teach a man how to eat for a lifetime, don't teach him how to fish, teach him how to make a paper cup. Then he'll be able to eat for a lifetime, and his family too. He'll have enough mandatory overtime, he won't have time to go fishing. And when he finally do get a day off, he'll be too tired to go fishing. He'll want to go home to the family, where he ought to be. Any questions? Oh, 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 oh.